Welcome back to the page. We have a red Mark 1 MX5 here that we did the driver's side rear seal on a couple of weeks ago. Mechanical checks over it, had a rear main leak, checked with the customer. Clutch was done about 11 years ago, so we're going to take the box out, do the clutch, do the rear main seal, get the engine sealed up so it's not leaking oil anymore, and we'll go from there. So I'm going to take you through that process. Some of you with a keen eye would have noticed that that bolt there snapped at the stud. We need to get that out. I'm hoping that we're going to be able to do it with the manifold on, but if we have to take it off, we have to take it off. That's just part and parcel of it. Obviously we've given it a birthday, cleaned up some of the parts, cleaned up the flywheel. Now it's ready for the rear main swap and obviously remove that bolt. But what I'm going to do is remove that bolt first, get that out, clean it back up, and then replace the rear main. Got that bolt out in the end. It was a bit of a nightmare. I've just tapped and threaded it to an M10 so I can put a bolt and then that if the thread's a little bit gone. But yeah, so that's out. It saves me the journey of taking the exhaust manifold off. Now for the clutch.